In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an out-of-office message in Outlook. So whether you're planning a vacation, attending a conference, or just need some time away from your email, this quick guide will help you manage your messages while you're away. First, let's get started by heading over to the Outlook login page. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft 365 website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log into your account. If you don't already have the page bookmarked, just search for Outlook login on your preferred search engine. You'll want to click on the sign in button and enter your email and password. Don't forget that having your login credentials ready can speed up this process. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the familiar Outlook Mail interface. To access the area where you'll set your out of office message, look at the lower left corner. There you'll see several icons, including one for mail and another for calendar. Click on the calendar icon to proceed to the next step of the setup. Once you're in your Outlook calendar, look to the upper left area where you'll find New Event and click on it. This opens a new window where you can input details about your event, your time away in this case. It's important to include specific dates and times for when you'll be unavailable to help your correspondents understand the time frame of your absence. Now, within the event window you will see a variety of options. Look for the one labeled busy, which typically indicates your availability status when scheduling events. Click on this option and you'll be given a drop-down list with more choices. From this list you need to select out of office. This selection is crucial as it signals to others your unavailability during the specified dates. And that's it. With this setting adjusted, anyone who tries to book a meeting with you during your time away will be notified that you're out of the office. This automatic responder is a fantastic way to manage expectations and keep your professional life running smoothly, even when you're not around to supervise it directly. Remember to double check your settings to ensure that the out of office message and availability status are in place for the correct dates. If plans change, it's easy to modify or update them by returning to the calendar. This feature can be a real lifesaver when managing downtime while maintaining clear communication with your contacts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you set up your Outlook out-of-office message seamlessly. Make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for better productivity. Happy travels and see you in the next video.